It seems you've skipped a lesson. Do you want to die? Shall I bathe in your holy ash? Your family are being held captive. Keep doing lessons or your entire family will be abolished. You understand this, yes? Don't make me feed you the poison loaf of bread. Do your homework, read the Spanish, learn the Spanish. Simple things to do, but a high-value reward. Do as I say or feel the wrath of my unlimited power. Go on. Go read up on the lessons. Yes. Good. I shall be back to check up on you soon. Can't think of how to beg for your family in Spanish. Get it done, Joe, or I'll be here tomorrow with the shotty. This will be the last of your days. Cherish your time. Your fate is sealed for tomorrow. Goodbye, Joe.
Dad!